are you?
Hello, I'm fine. Thanks for
Ahmed.
asking.
Ahmed. That is your
Uh,
Ahmed.
is it my name hard to pronounce?
No, it's just the AH. We don't have an AH in English.
so
Ahmed. Okay.
so you can call you Ahmed.
Ahmed. Ahmed. There you go.
Yeah, it's good.
My name is Stuart, but call me Sam.
Oh, and
Very easy to say. Sam.
yeah, it's
Very not
nice name.
difficult.
Nice to
Um,
meet you.
Pleased to meet you too. Where are you from?
I'm from Iraq.
Iraq? Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay. I don't speak to many people from Iraq.
Uh-huh. So I am the first one.
You're the second one. You're the
Glad to hear
second.
that.
You're the second one. The first one was about a couple months ago, I guess. The first time I talked to somebody from
Iraq.
Iraq.
And do you remember where he lived in Iraq?
I have no idea. I don't. It
Uh-huh.
was like his first time. We talked for like 5 minutes, and so I just told him about Cambly, and that was about it. So
Uh-huh. So
is it
he tried Cambly the first time in a trial
the trial? Yeah,
5 minutes.
the trial. Yeah. So
Yeah.
is that what you is this your trial?
No, I'm a
Oh,
student
oh,
on
you're a
Cambly.
student.
Yeah.
Okay, okay. Um, uh, what would you like to talk about, or what do you?
Yeah. Today I want to talk about asking the time, and I want to know the usual asking about time. Is it like 2:30 or half past two? What usual thing
It,
do you use?
it depends on if you're English or if you're American.
As
Okay, if you
American?
as an American, we usually say um, um, we we give the actual time like 2:15 or 2:30. When somebody says what time, you'd say you
Yeah.
wouldn't say a quarter past or half past. You would say that the actual time is what you would do. That's
Uh-huh.
usually that's why I say it's more of a European thing to say half past three or half past two. That's more of a European thing. I know I live in Thailand now. That's where I live, and
Mm-hmm.
I have a Thai wife, and I always know that she always says she says half past three, and it kind of like was that 3:15 or 3:30? I'm not, and I have to think about it. So it's not a familiar. Uh, it's not familiar to an American person. It's more familiar to like a European person.
Uh-huh, I know. So you use like 2:30, 2:45, something
Yes,
like that. Mm-hmm.
yeah. In America, we always say if somebody says what time it is, we go and let's say if it
Yeah.
is 2:30, we say, oh, it's 2:30. We wouldn't say it's half past two.
Uh-huh.
That's
Yeah, this is the easy way to know the time.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. I guess
But yeah,
no.
go ahead.
I'm just trying to think about. It's like it's all of my like New Zealand, Australia, England, and people who have learned English from those people, not from Americans. They all use that phrase. But yeah, I think the time might be strictly an American thing, to tell you the truth. I think the
Uh,
rest of the world says
what
half
what
past.
what do you mean by strictly?
Oh, only
Uh-huh.
only Americans say that. Only Americans
Uh-huh.
will give you the exact time. Uh,
Yes, yeah, I know. This is the easy way to when you say that about the time. But I'm curious to know everything about your culture and what is the usual use like this and this.
Right.
So you mean in America use the easy way, and the European use half and quarter and past.
Yes. Yeah.
Hmm.
I think the whole rest of the world uses half quarter or a quarter past or half past. But see, you wouldn't say three quarters past. I've never heard that before. I think it's just for quarter past and half past. But I think if you're talking 3:45, or you might say quarter till, you say quarter till the next hour.
A quarter to the next hour.
Yeah. Well, no. Okay. Let's say if it's 2 o'clock. Okay. 2:15 would be quarter past two. 2:30 would be half past two,
Yeah,
and 2:45 would be a quarter to three.
a quarter to three. Yes.
Yeah. I think that's. I'm pretty sure that's. I'm pretty sure that's. And in America, you'd say, oh, it's. You'd say. I think you would say. I. You would still say this the number. You'd never say, or you might say it's 10 to 3, or 9 minutes until 3, or something like that. But
Uh-huh.
well, I had to think about that a little bit. That's that. Every once in a while, you guys come up with some questions that are just like, I know what they are, but it's like I don't know why they are. I don't know the reason for it. So, and I
Uh,
have to think a bit. It's good. I enjoy it. I like to do that.
yeah. You know, you meet different students, so there's many culture. You know about it. For me, my question is about to know the common usual thing in America. And I want to talk with a native speaker. I want to feel like them.
Okay.
When I speak with them, uh, you have patient for me because you are my tutor.
I'm your
But
teacher. No judgment.
yeah, yes, but when I talk with a native speaker, normal native speaker, um, he can wait me or to
They
express my thoughts.
they get impatient is the word
Ye-
looking for.
ye-
They don't have the time. They want to just they don't have the time to because they're assholes. That's why. I mean, seriously, seriously. See, that's one thing. I have no formal teaching experience at all. I've never been a teacher. Okay, but I have traveled a lot. Okay, I traveled for about
Uh-huh.
25 years, I guess, and
So you're a lucky one.
I'm really good at speaking with people who can't speak English. And spending the time to like, let's say if they know 20 words, I'll get that one word that I will know
Yeah.
what they are talking about. Okay. And then I can like, and I also listen to everything somebody says, not the individual words. And so then I know what you're talking about, and then I can help you try to say it the proper way or a way that makes sense to uh, an asshole. Makes no, that, yeah, that makes sense to somebody who doesn't want to. But I've always been a very patient man and very okay. Now, what are you trying to say? What? Okay, it does it have something to do with this? Ask them 20 questions about, and I'll figure it out. And I do that here all the time.
So so you don't impress the person who talk with him when he talk in slow mood, in slowly mood.
I talk to you slowly. I don't talk to
If he
normally.
if he if he if he not a native speaker.
If he's not a native speaker, I just
Yeah.
I just try and talk to them real clearly
Yes.
is what I try and do. Because most people it's like you're English, Arabic, English. Okay. And so
Yes.
you need a time to for the computer to crunch it.
Yeah, in my mind.
and come back out again.
But
So
yeah, there's a process. There's a process in my mind.
see, I know this because I have a Thai wife, okay, and
Yeah.
I'm learning to speak Thai, okay, and it's
Hmm.
amazingly difficult.
Oh, and they still using the same alphabet?
No, no, there's 74 characters, and they're like little drawings or little cartoons.
Oh,
Kind
wow.
of like Arabic has, it's not a like a Western alphabet. You
Yes.
know, it's like so. I mean, I don't know how many characters are in the Arabic alphabet, but in Thai there's 74.
Wow.
So
And you are in Taiwan for a long time?
Thailand. I mean,
Thailand.
yes. Oh, I live here. I live here.
Uh,
This is my home.
uh-huh.
This is
For how long?
I've been here for 3 years now.
Uh-huh.
I've
So
lived here.
you you learn some words and you can communicate with the native speaker there?
Yes, yes.
Uh-huh.
Mami
Uh-huh.
Panha. Mami Panha. I have no problem.
What does that mean?
Mami Panha. I have no problem.
Uh-huh.
And it's me is no. My is no. Me is I. So it's no I problem.
Uh,
If you translate it into English, but
yes.
but so like when somebody asks me a question now, that's automatically that comes out. Or I'm starting to think more and more in Thai, and it's just an
And
automatic response.
yes.
So
And in Thailand, is it there is many people speak in English?
well, see, I live in Phuket, and there's a lot of tourists here.
Uh-huh.
So the Thai people more of them tend to speak English because that's like a universal language. Okay, I mean everybody, no matter.
As the second language?
Well, it's if you're German or French or Italian,
Yes.
you speak some English. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
they know how to
Yeah.
speak Thai, and then they know English as a language to as a as a language to sell whatever they're selling, or if they're a tour guide or taxi driver, or
Mm-hmm.
their business usually deals with foreigners, whatever kind of business they're in. Okay,
Of
so it's
course, they should learn English because they have to learn English to communicate with the tourists.
exactly,
Yeah,
exactly.
and
So
I think you are a joker.
a joke.
Yeah, you speak English and Thailand, Thai.
Ninoy, Ninoy, Ninoy.
So you can
Little bit, little bit. Ninoy, little bit.
yes.
So and nit is bit and noi is little. So it's backwards. Everything's backwards. But
What is
oh,
what meaning nose nose?
nit 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 is nit noi. Oh man, I'm losing it now.
Can you
Noi
write it
noi
down
noi
to me?
noi noi is small. Noi means small.
Because
We
I
only have
even
like 50 seconds here. Okay. NOI is SMALL. And okay, and then knit means bit, like a little bit. Okay, you see? Okay, you see? Okay. Noi is small and
no, it's smaller
knit
like
little. So I speak
yeah, yeah.
little bit. I speak a little bit.
It's nice. It's not. It's like a nice language.
Yeah. And it's kind of easy once you get familiar with it. But you know what? We're out of time. But I'm going to send you
Yeah,
my link. I hope you call me again. This has been great.
sure, of
I've
course.
thoroughly enjoyed talking with you.
Nice to meet you.
Ahmed.
Ahmed, yeah. Take care.